in the missing letters. Yes, you are correct. It took us hours to climb to the top of the mountain. Yes, you are correct. What's the opposite of marvelous? It's terrible, I think. Yes, you are correct. What are you laughing about? I don't think it's at all funny. Yes, you are correct. The biggest animal in the world is the whale. Yes, you are correct. Where was he yesterday? I'm not sure, but I think he was sick. Yes, you are correct. On Wednesdays, I play squash, and on Saturdays, I go swimming. Yes, you are correct. Do you know where she is? Yes, she is in the dining room, knitting a new pullover. Yes, you are correct. The baby is getting bigger and bigger every day. Yes, you are correct. Can I have a different knife, please? This one's dirty. Yes, you are correct. Can I have the scissors, please? Yes, you are correct. Why are you always getting the answers wrong? Yes, you are correct. You will never get fit unless you exercise more. Yes, you are correct. We watched an exciting film on television last night. Yes, you are correct. It's easier to clean your carpet with a vacuum cleaner. Yes, you are correct. I'm going skiing with the school next January. Yes, you are correct. Can you help me finish this crossword puzzle? Yes, you are correct. You must come straight home when you have bought your presents. Yes, you are correct. Their house is so big that they have 2 kitchens. Yes, you are correct. What do you want for your birthday? Yes, you are correct. If the weather's good, tomorrow we'll play tennis. Yes, you are correct. It has been 5 years since I last spoke French. Yes, you are correct. His job was so tiring that he felt absolutely shattered. Yes, you are correct. Nobody can fool me. I'm never taken in. Yes, you are correct. You certainly wouldn't like to be seen in such bad company. Yes, you are correct. There isn't any salt on the table. Yes, you are correct. The sink is downstairs in the kitchen. Yes, you are correct. The princess lay down and slept for 20 years. Yes, you are correct. Sorry, I can't repay you this week. I'm completely broke. Yes, you are correct. The Queen is said to be visiting Australia next year. Yes, you are correct. I often borrow money from my parents. Yes, you are correct. Can you put me up for the weekend? Yes, you are correct. Come to my party on Saturday night. Yes, you are correct. Paul is Mary's father. So Mary is Paul's daughter. Yes, you are correct. I tried to call you, but your line was engaged. Yes, you are correct. I can sell you some bananas, but only a few. Yes, you are correct. My father's farm has a lot of fields. Yes, you are correct. An owl was hooting somewhere in the fields. Yes, you are correct. The orchard was sparkling and rippling in the sun. Yes, you are correct. The sun was dropping low in the west. Yes, you are correct. At night, the coyotes roam the wintry waste howling for food.